Northshore High School, a challenging and caring community encouraging lifelong learning for all students. But we students couldn't do it without our teachers. They used projectors, smartboards, tablets, and computers to create an environment conducive to learning. The best application of technology, however, is in our first robotics team, Team 1912 Combustion.
It's unlike anything I've learned in the classroom. From presentations, volunteering, and building, robotics is an all-encompassing club that gives exposure to STEM and throws you into situations where you have to get out of your comfort zone. It also promotes community spirit, confidence, problem solving, and teamwork. In fact, Combustion is composed of 2 schools this year, merging Salmen with Northshore. Our mutual passion for STEM feeds our first fire and fuses these 2 schools together, allowing us to burn brighter than ever.
Every year, first teams around the world are given a new challenge to compete in. They then have 6 weeks to design, build, and program a robot to fit that challenge.
Alright, this is the CAD for this year's robot, Apache. We have 3 different subsystems broken it up into right now. We have the basic chassis here, the catapult here, and then our ball acquisition method there.
I'm going to be using this job saw here to cut a piece of 2x1, and this piece in particular is going to be the base of the catapult, and it's going to attach it to the chassis. Here we go. Cutting!
I am using National Instruments LabVIEW, a computer programming language, to command our robot to perform functions including targeting, driving, and shooting.
What I'm doing right now is making the Blast logo. You can't see it, but if I change it to, you see that I'm working on the Blast logo. It's backwards, but you can see, and this would actually be able to 3D print.
So we recently purchased a 3D printer. This is it. So you start out by taking this glass plate and like working on the alignment with this thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's where the plastic comes out. And you have to put a piece of paper in and make sure that the paper can slide around freely. And then you put the cartridge of the plastic cartridge right here, and we obviously use bright green. And then you put the file in with the flash drive, and it starts warming up. And then you have to put glue on the plate, and so that the design will stick, and then it puts down a net for a base, and then it starts printing, and you can just watch it do it layer by layer, and this is what we built a lot.
With just 2 weeks left of build season, we're getting really excited for competition. We plan on competing in the Orlando Regional in Florida and the Bayer Regional in Canada.
We're starting to get really nervous, but we can't wait.